Westerners frequently flock to Thailand for vacation, but there's a hidden gem to the south that's gaining quickly in popularity: Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. Experience the metropolitan life of a bustling city while giving your money more flexibility than an experienced yogi. I'm going to take you to 5 of my favorite places to stay in Kuala Lumpur. This one is my favorite. Let's do this. Located in the bustling district of Bukit Bintang, Ceylonz Suites offers affluent amenities without the price tag. The 42-story building blends modern architecture with an emphasis on nature. You can throw around some kgs while overlooking KLCC or enjoy a leisurely stroll on the 39th floor Sky Garden. Ceylon was my first stop in Kuala Lumpur. I had the pleasure of staying here for 5 nights. My studio came out to $44 a night. It included a kitchenette, linens, and an incredible view of KLCC. I love how there is 24-hour security and the elevators need keycard access after 8 p.m. The amenities were a huge selling point for me. On 4 different floors, Ceylon has 4 unique pocket gardens. Now we are on the 13th floor and this is the first pocket garden. These are just little areas where you can come outside and enjoy the view of KLCC and just enjoy a different environment. So if you want to break from your room, you want a little bit of privacy but want to be outside, you can come to these pocket gardens. This one features an obstacle course and then some benches over here behind me where you can just kind of hang out, maybe grab a book and just enjoy your time. Ceylon has a business lounge for digital nomads. Ceylon wants to blur the lines between work and play. They had young entrepreneurs in mind when they were making this building because they have the business lounge where you can come out here and just get your work done, have a meeting if you need to. But then also when you're feeling kind of cooped up and you need some type of relief, you can go to one of the pocket gardens or the sky garden on top that I will show you later and get some fresh air, see some fresh greenery and kind of pull yourself out of the business environment so that you can kind of reset yourself and spark creativity. If you've been eating too much nasi lemak, don't worry. The Ceylon gym has you covered. The dual-level gym features various cardio machines, free weights, and even a yoga room. On the first floor, you'll find bikes, ellipticals, and treadmills. On the second floor, you'll find a rack equipped with dumbbells up to 25 kg. They have chest, leg, and back machines so you can smash a full body workout. When I saw the picture of Ceylon's infinity pool, I knew I had to stay here. Now we are on the 37th floor, and this is the selling point of the Ceylonz Suites. This beautiful infinity pool that overlooks all of KLCC. There were a few things I disliked about Ceylon. Due to the high occupancy and only having 4 elevators, it took around 5 minutes to catch an elevator, even longer during peak times. The walls within the room were thin. I could hear my neighbor's entire phone conversation late into the evening. There is no in-unit laundry. There was a wash and fold located within Ceylonz that charged 7 ringgit per kilogram. Before booking on Airbnb, I would make sure the apartment you selected has no reviews mentioning thin walls or noise. Other than that, I would highly recommend staying the weekend at Ceylonz Suites. This complex was developed by 𝗟𝗓𝗦, the same developer as Ceylon, so you'll see some similarities. My friend from high school was visiting me, so we decided to ball out on this 3-bedroom apartment. It's a 2-story duplex with an unobstructed view of the Petronas Towers. On the downstairs floor, there's a king bedroom with an attached bedroom. Walk a few feet over to the living room and you'll understand why we booked this place. Glide upstairs to see another king bedroom with a spacious bathroom and a luxurious bathtub. Perfect for decompressing after a long day of exploring KL. 2 walk-in closets, kitchenette, in-unit laundry, and multiple places to take in the view. It'll be hard to leave this duplex. This apartment came out to $132 a night. Definitely more on the pricey side, but this can easily accommodate 3 people. You know it's illegal for a Malaysian apartment complex to not have an infinity pool, right? Well, maybe not, but I never get tired of them. Even if you're staying at Expressionz, the infinity pool will cost 12 ringgit a day to access. That was a weird caveat, but it was definitely worth it. There's also a sky gym loaded with cardio machines and weightlifting equipment. I love the colony so much that I stayed here twice for a total of 35 days. It had the best value of all the Airbnbs I stayed at. I love that the room had a desk, kitchenette, balcony, an in-unit washer and dryer. Everything I needed for a comfortable stay. My studio apartment came out to $30 a night, while the one bedroom came out to $32 a night. You can get weekly and monthly discounts on Airbnb, so it definitely helps if you can stay at least 1 week. The colony is located in 𝗟𝗘𝗢𝗧, the central suburb of KL, which is only a 10-minute grab to KLCC. Just across the street is the 𝗟𝗘𝗧𝗦 Mall that features restaurants, a movie theater, monorail station, and even NSK, a grocery store stocked with a variety of foods and everyday household items. The colony boasts an array of amenities that rival even the most upscale accommodations. From the infinity pool that kisses the sky to the well-equipped gym that caters to the fitness enthusiast, every detail is meticulously crafted to cater to the modern traveler. Waking up and heading to the pool for my morning meditation was such a treat. I mean, come on, look at this view. My apartment had a kitchen and full-size fridge, so cooking at home was a breeze. I have 2 tips to enhance your trip. If you're planning on staying over a month, you can book directly with the leasing company. Usually there will be a contact card in the lobby and you can schedule an appointment with a leasing agent. Depending on the apartment, you can rent month to month and save up to 50% off the Airbnb price. You may need to pay a cash deposit to secure your lease that's refundable at the end of your stay. Make sure you stay 1 to 2 nights before booking for a month, just to make sure the property is up to your standards. The pool could be closed for cleaning, the elevators might not be working due to maintenance updates, construction could be going on during the time you stay, so noise could be an issue. Also check to make sure the walls are well insulated and you can't hear the people next door. Make sure you book a room in Block B because that is the building that faces KLCC. With fully furnished apartments starting at $600 a month, luxury is within arm's distance at Lucentia. I feel like I'm living in a postcard right now. Located in Bukit Bintang, you are on the doorstep of Kuala Lumpur's premier shopping and entertainment district. Kick back at one of the 2 swimming pools or enjoy a relaxing meditation on the yoga deck. Natural light radiates throughout the 2-tower building and is guaranteed to set your mind at ease. Oh man, this is the face you make when you see this infinity pool. Holy. Yeah, I'm pretty at loss for words. I thought Ceylonz Suites had an incredible infinity pool, but this one I think takes the cake. It's almost twice as long. It's not full 180 degrees, but I mean, it looks like the edge of it, you're gonna fall into infinity and beyond. Like, it's kind of freaky. It looks like you will fall off the edge of the world. I feel like I'm living in a postcard right now. I spent 2 nights at Lucentia. This is where I became friends with Willie, a fellow traveler from Taiwan. Despite being built on the former Pudu jail, there was no bad vibes during my stay. My studio apartment came out to $39 a night that included a kitchenette, washer, dryer, and a king-size bed. There's a pretty extensive gym and 2 pools to choose from. My favorite mall, 𝗟𝗘𝗢𝗨𝗡, is within walking distance and was one of my favorite places to edit videos. Lucentia wasn't as busy as Ceylon or the colony, so I enjoyed the peacefulness. There are 5 super fast elevators, so you won't be stuck in a queue. The walls are thick and insulated, so you won't have to worry about any outside noise. Scarletz Suites is another property developed by Expressionz. Located in the heart of KL, Scarletz is walking distance from the Petronas Towers and the 𝗟𝗔𝗕𝗢𝗓 Mall. My 5-night stay came out to $45 a night for a studio apartment. I enjoyed the room, but there was one thing that drove me nuts. The Airbnb was decorated with random items scattered everywhere. I mean, how many pillows do you actually need? Too many decorations took up valuable surface area that made the room feel cluttered. Since I was staying in 𝗟𝗓𝗧, I didn't have that magnificent skyline view like I did staying in the outer neighborhoods of Bukit Bintang or 𝗟𝗘𝗢. I mean, cool view, bro.
It breaks my heart.
The amenities were incredible, but wouldn't justify me staying here again. The pool had a unique design, but the Star Residence, an apartment complex just in front of Scarletz, engulfed most of the Petronas Towers. The gym had premium equipment and the staff kept it sparkling clean. If you plan to center your trip around visiting the city center, Scarletz has a prime location. However, for my digital nomad needs, the Colony offers a better price point for more value. I hope I gave you a reason to choose Kuala Lumpur over Bangkok or any other location for your next vacation. From the friendly Grab drivers to the diversity of the city, KL will remain as one of my top global destinations. I can guarantee you'll fall in love with Kuala Lumpur. And until next time, be yourself and you'll make a difference. Peace.